Several workflow enhancements have been added in GeoFrame 2012. This movie will only cover a few of these enhancements. Please review the release notes for complete details on all of the Basemap workflow enhancements included in GeoFrame 2012. Bookmarks in SizeDV, Charisma, and GeoViz have become a very important and useful tool for interpreters. With GeoFrame 2012, bookmarks are now available in Basemap. Bookmarks in Basemap have the same look and feel as those in SizeDV. Easy to use and intuitive, and allow you to retrieve any Basemap view you saved, including zoom levels. Bookmarks in Basemap are essentially saved maps. When you enter Basemap for the first time in each project, in GeoFrame 2012 you will receive a message giving you information about bookmarks and how to seek additional information on them. You will also be presented with the Open Map dialog box, where you select the map to display. From this dialog box, you can filter the maps presented to you by the current user or all users. You can set or unset a home bookmark here. A home bookmark is a map that will be opened by default each time you open Basemap, rather than being presented with the Open Map dialog box. You can edit a map's name and description. You can also sort the map list by various attributes and delete maps. Bookmarks will initially open with no image files associated with the map. To associate an image to a map, click mouse button 1 on the map's image area or description and click on the Save icon. The image of the map will be saved in the bookmark. Repeat this process for the maps that you wish to have images associated with. Bookmarks can be saved as new bookmarks, or you can overwrite existing bookmarks at any time by clicking on the Save As icon or the Save icon. An Animate feature is available that allows you to expand your map to get a more detailed view of the map prior to selecting it for display. You can also run through a history of your map selections. Refresh the bookmark list in current selection, open a home bookmark, and close the image bar. The bookmark toolbar and bookmark image bar can be toggled on and off on the Basemap canvas by selecting User Preferences and making your selection in the Miscellaneous tab. Mouse button 3 clicks on the bookmarks themselves allows you to open a bookmark. Open a new bookmark as a new Basemap window. Edit the name and description of the bookmark. Set or unset home bookmarks and delete them. Another new feature added to Basemap in GeoFrame 2012 is a quick way to easily cycle through a horizon's attributes. Open Post Interpretation Horizons, post the desired horizon and click on the Attributes button to open the Horizon Attribute Display dialog box. Then select the attributes to post. Contours, well locations, 2D line locations, and 3D survey outlines can now be saved as shapefiles. These shapefiles can be posted in applications such as GeoViz to allow for faster displays and less clutter on the canvas. To save one of these objects as a shapefile, open Data, Save Data as GIS to open the Save GeoFrame Data as GIS dialog box. Select an input data type. In this case, we will select the well locations. Then select the borehole set, enter a data source name, and click OK. You can also specify where the shapefiles will be output to the project's default DSL or an external location, and the output projections in units. Then we can open GeoVis and display this data file using the Vector GIS option. Where you can move the layer through the Z direction or drape it on a surface. These Basemap workflow enablers, along with others not mentioned in this movie, are available in GeoFrame 2012. For further details, refer to the GeoFrame 2012 Basemap online documentation and GeoFrame 2012 release notes.